How much should you actually spend on Connelly Slalom water skis? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, O'Brien Celebrity 68 Combo Water Skis. The O'Brien Celebrity 68 Combo Water Skis caught my attention right away, especially at $279.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 200 reviews, these skis are labeled as a bestseller. If you want a reliable option for all skill levels, this is worth a serious look. The dual tunnel bottom design provides smooth, stable control, especially in choppy waters. This means you can focus on your technique rather than fighting against the ski. Plus, the optimized performance and comfort features reduce drag and fatigue, so you can enjoy longer sessions on the water. Now, some people complained about the weight of 18 pounds, saying it feels a bit heavy for beginner skiers. Here's the thing though, once you're on the water, that weight actually contributes to stability, which is crucial for beginners learning to balance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile ski that can grow with your skills. Skip this one if you're after something specifically designed for advanced slalom performance. At this price, you're getting solid value for a quality product. Now, if the weight of the O'Brien Celebrity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, O'Brien Pro Tour Slalom Water Ski 58. Next up is the O'Brien Pro Tour Slalom Water Ski, available at $289.95. It has a 4-star rating from 7 reviews and comes in several sizes including 58, 64, and 68. If you're a beginner to intermediate skier looking for stability, this one deserves your attention. This feature is crucial for new skiers who often find choppy conditions intimidating. The Z9 bindings are perfect for sizes 7-12, which means a secure fit is guaranteed. Plus, the carved fin allows for easier turns and control, which can really boost your confidence on the water. However, some users mentioned that it can be challenging to find the right size if you're on the edge of the sizing range. Here's the thing though, if you can find the right fit, the performance you get for the price is worth a little hassle. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want a forgiving ski. Skip this one if you're already advanced and looking for something high performance. For the cost, it's a strong contender for your first slalom ski. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want to push their skills further. Product number 3, O'Brien Pro Tour Slalom Water Ski 64. Continuing with the O'Brien Pro Tour Slalom Water Ski, the 64 variant also retails for $289.95 and carries a 4-star rating. This ski is a slightly larger option for those who need a bit more length. If you want stability without sacrificing performance, this is worth checking out. The Z9 bindings accommodate sizes 7-12, ensuring a snug fit. What's great about this model is that it's designed to be forgiving for beginners while still allowing for some advanced maneuvers as you progress. Some users did express frustration with the lack of color choices. Here's the thing though, if performance is your priority, this ski delivers where it counts, and the color is a minor detail. This is perfect for you if you want a ski that grows with you as your skills improve. Skip this one if you prioritize aesthetics over functionality. Considering the performance, it's a solid buy. Now, if you're looking for something that gives you a bit more versatility in design, the next ski might be just what you need. Product number 4, O'Brien Sequence Slalom Water Ski. Next, let's talk about the O'Brien Sequence Slalom Water Ski priced at $419.99. With a perfect 5-star rating from 1 review, this ski is aimed at those who are serious about slalom skiing. If you want a ski that balances performance and ease of use, this is worth a serious look. The transitional concave shape allows for smooth turns and stable rides, which is crucial when you're trying to perfect your technique. The Z9 bindings also fit sizes 7-12, keeping things user-friendly. However, the higher price tag might deter some budget-conscious buyers. Here's the thing though, if you're truly committed to improving your skills, the investment in quality pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're looking to advance your slalom skills without sacrificing comfort. Skip this one if you're just getting started or want something at a lower price point. For dedicated skiers, the value justifies the cost. Finally, if you're looking for a great option for younger skiers, the next product is for you. Product number 5, Connelly Big Easy Combo Water Skis. Last but not least, we have the Connelly Big Easy Combo Water Skis, priced at $299.99. With a perfect rating of 5 stars from one review, these skis are specifically designed for youth. If you're looking for an easy-up combo that's friendly for beginners, this one's definitely worth considering. The double tunnel design provides predictable tracking, making it easier for kids to learn. Plus, the adjustable slide bindings fit sizes 9-14, accommodating growing feet. Some users have noted that they wish the design was a bit more vibrant. Here's the thing though, for beginners, the focus should be on performance and stability, which these skis deliver. This is perfect for you if you're teaching a young one how to water ski. Skip this one if you want something for advanced skiers. For the price, you're getting excellent value for a solid beginner's ski. So there you have it. We've covered 5 great options in the Connelly Slalom water ski category: the O'Brien Celebrity, the O'Brien Pro Tour 58 and 64, the O'Brien Sequence, and the Connelly Big Easy. Each has its strengths and caters to different skill levels and needs. Whatever your choice, you can't go wrong with these reliable skis.